What if I told you there's one strategy for growing your email list that doesn't just add random names to your list, but brings in highly qualified leads? People who actually want what you're offering. It's not magic, it's affiliate and influencer marketing. And trust me, when done right, this one strategy can blow up your email list and drive more sales faster than you ever imagined. Ready to discover how to make this strategy work for you? Keep watching to learn more. All right, let's start with why affiliate and influencer marketing work so well for building your list. An affiliate is someone who promotes your product or offer to their audience in exchange for a commission. An influencer, on the other hand, leverages their credibility and social following to recommend your offer, often for a fee, special discount, or other agreed upon form of partnership. Now, the beauty of this approach is that you're not just getting leads, you're getting highly qualified leads. Affiliates and influencers often have established trust with their audience. When they promote your offer, their followers are far more likely to sign up because they already trust the person recommending you. It's like getting a referral from a friend versus a stranger on the street. That trust makes their recommendation more effective than an unfamiliar source. In fact, some studies show that 92% of consumers trust recommendations from people they know over other forms of advertising. This makes affiliate and influencers incredibly powerful in driving conversions and especially growing your list. Additionally, affiliates and influencers provide access to a larger engaged audience. They've already done the hard work of building an audience, so instead of starting from scratch, you're tapping into a pool of people who are already engaged. Think of it this way. Marketing to a warm audience rather than a cold one gives you a significant advantage. Warm leads are already familiar with and interested in your niche, which means they require less convincing and are more likely to trust your offer and take action. This makes the entire process of growing your email list more efficient and effective. Plus, the warmer the lead, the more likely they are to turn into a sale. I first saw the power of affiliate marketing about 3 years into my first business. I had been struggling to drive traffic to my offers since, as a brand new entrepreneur, I didn't have much extra capital to invest in things like paid ads. And my business was new, so I didn't have much of an email list and consequently didn't have much of a social media following either. Then I happened to attend a networking event and met someone who already had a significant following and who liked what I had to offer. Long story short, a few emails to her audience later, I had over 200 new names on my lead list and had made over $5,000 in sales. That one relationship helped me get my business off the ground so much faster than if I had continued at the pace I was before that. Ready to try it for yourself? Let's talk about getting started with affiliates. The goal here is simple. Find people who have an audience that matches your ideal customer and offer them an incentive to promote you, your lead magnet, or your offer. Here's a simple way to get started. First, identify potential affiliates. Begin by identifying creators, coaches, or entrepreneurs with an overlapping audience. These should be people whose audience overlaps with yours but aren't direct competitors. Back in my B2B days when we were doing business networking, we called these referral partners. For example, the attorney and the financial planner would often team up because if someone is looking for retirement planning, they often also need an attorney for estate planning and vice versa. Think about possible connections where their audience could benefit from what you solve. In my business, some of my best affiliate relationships are with Kajabi theme and template designers. My audience can greatly benefit from what they do, and their audience could benefit from our coaching and done-for-you services. Once you've identified potential affiliate partnerships, reach out with a win-win offer. That's number 2. When you approach them, don't just say, hey, want to promote my stuff. Instead, make it a win-win. Offer a commission for every lead they generate or access to something valuable you provide in exchange. For example, I offer generous commissions to my affiliates because I consider this the best possible win-win situation. When affiliate sends me a new sale, we both make money, and the ROI for me is always better than any paid ad campaign that I've ever done. Which brings me to the next step, number 3, Make it easy. The easier you make it for affiliates to promote, the better. So provide them with pre-written email copy, social media posts, and even graphics that they can use. For my affiliates, I have an entire resource library stocked with swipe files, customizable graphics, and special promotions only available through my affiliates, all conveniently located in Kajabi, which is then right on my website. So it's so easy for all my affiliates to access anything and everything that they need to promote my programs. And then they win as well. So now that you've identified potential affiliates, contacted with a win-win offer, and provided them with plenty of resources, a useful bonus tip is to begin with those you already have a relationship with, such as through social media or professional networks. That initial familiarity can ease the conversation and make it more likely that they'll be open to collaboration. Building on an existing connection often creates a stronger, more trusting partnership from the start. Okay, here are a few key tips to ensure this strategy works effectively. 1, offer a great lead magnet. The better your lead magnet, the easier it'll be for affiliates and influencers to promote it. So make sure it's something truly valuable that solves a specific problem for your audience, but especially their audience. 2 is track everything. Use unique links or promo codes for each affiliate and influencer. It not only helps you track results, but also makes it easier to pay commissions accurately. And the cool thing is you can do that all seamlessly inside Kajabi. 3rd is build relationships, not just transactions. The best partnerships come from genuine relationships. So even after a promotion ends, stay in touch with your affiliates. You never know when you might collaborate again. I like to run occasional bonus competitions or special prizes or send extra thank you gifts, depending on the launch or the promotion that I'm doing. Finally, approach this with a positive mindset. Collaborating with others can be both effective and enjoyable. Building your list doesn't have to feel like a grind. When you work with great people, it can actually be a lot of fun. So by now, I'm sure you see how affiliate and influencer marketing isn't just about strategy. It's potentially the best strategy for blowing up your email list with highly qualified leads. This strategy offers great potential for both new and experienced list builders looking for highly qualified leads. And if you want even more tips and strategies to grow your email list, check out our Grow Your List playlist. It's packed with actionable insights to help you attract more leads and increase your conversions, which in turn will help you grow your business.